Hello, my name is Andres Aguilar, and I am a student at the University of Guayaquil. This is my portfolio of the English class, and I am going to explain in this video how I made this portfolio, and I will explain each class that I saw in the cycle. Here I have put a brief summary about my life and my personal things. Now I will move on the Unit 1, which has as its main the 10 city living. In the portfolio, in Unit 1, we will have the present perfect. The present perfect is structured in affirmative is the subject more the auxiliary have or has, and more the past participle. In negative sentences, the same but we add the noun after the auxiliary. And in the question, first the auxiliary and then the subject. Here we have an exercise to learn. Write the words in the correct order. The next topic in portfolio is the present perfect, which already and yet. Here we have an exercise on this topic, and the first question is the first option. We have the homework in this unit. This homework deals with the future of city and the glossary of the place in the city. The next topic in Unit 1 is the present perfect with for and since. We use for to talk about a period of time. For means durante, and is used over a period of time. We use since to talk about a specific point in time or a time when the action started. An example to use for she has lived here for 20 years. And since example is Alice has been married since April. Here we have in the next exercise. In the following sentences should you use for or since. And the other exercise to force and since in and since last Sunday for 10 years and others. And vocabulary transportation we have parking lot, commuter, on time, parking space, passenger, and other words. And homeworks of the second class we have about Boughton story about transportation. And other homework is about Stellar. Using the perfect present for the story we create. And the homework and, and the other homework is the site of the history about of topic in the platform. Now we have the next unit 2 of this course that deals with food for thought. And this unit is about the topic To and enough. Enough and to are used as qualified with adjectives, adverbs, and nouns to indicate a degree of quantity. Enough means sufficient. Enough is an adjective used to indicate that it is sufficient or equal to what is necessary. It can be used with other adjectives, adverbs, or nouns. And here we have a, an exercise uh, for you and I know to learn. And the next topics are too much and too many. Too much plus singular noun and too many plus plural noun. Uncountables and countable nouns. How to use two? Two plus adjective or adverbs and too much. Too many plus noun. Too many uh, countables countable noun and too much uncountable nouns. And qualifies we have many, much, a lot of, and many use negative and interrogative phrase with the accounting name in plural, and much use negative and interrogative phrase with counters singular names. Two we have and little and a few and some and any. And exercise with qualify and many, some, much, few, any, between others. And we have vocabulary about food and drinks. Um, Coconut, turkey, peach, flour, eggplant, apple pie, and adjective to describe food. Vocabulary: bitter, burned, sweet. Another topic is homework and practice. In Unite to quantify about ramen favorite dishes, cake of yogurt, fish soup with onions, and fish band, braided shrimp, and the homework food opinion, the video. And finally, we have the Duolingo section that deals with the curve that I follow to learn English online. Duolingo is a website and business dedicated to language learning and English level certification 1. Um, this is my Duolingo account. I have a streak of 23 days until Thursday, August 6th. And this was my portfolio, and I hope you have learned. My name is Andres Aguilar, and with me it will be until our next video. Goodbye.